Good morning, children. Let's get started for this week's science home-based learning. This is Dr. Lai, your HBL science teacher for this week. For the past week, we have been learning about food web. Now it's time to apply what we have learned. Now let's take a look at a typical food web question. In this question, you are required to identify the organism which eats only the animals. For this type of question, the very first thing that you must do is to identify the producer. I repeat this again as this is a very important point. Identify the producer. But how do we identify the producer in the food web? A producer is a plant which makes its own food. It will never eat other organisms. Therefore, in the food web, all the arrows should be pointing away from the producer, like this. There should be no arrow pointing towards the producer. Now, let's get back to the question. Look at the food web carefully. Can you identify all the producers? There is only one producer in this food web, and it is D. All the arrows are pointing away from D. Since D is the only producer, the other organisms A, B, C, and E are consumers. Consumers are animals which do not make their own food. In this question, we are looking out for organisms which eat only animals. Hence, B and C can be eliminated as both eat D and D is a plant. Let's take a look at A and E. A eats B and B is an animal. E eats A and A is an animal. So, only A and E eat animals only. Let's take a look at A and E. A eats B and B is an animal. E eats A and A is an animal. So, only A and E eat animals only.